and subscribe my channel. Today I stand before you to speak on the topic friendship. Since a man is a social being, he likes to make friends, share ideas, values, and even have fun together. Friendship is something that cannot be measured. Friendship is a very beautiful relationship. It is truly priceless, as a bunch of good friends make lives easy and worth living. It became strong with the number of years you invest in it. Everyone needs friends in their joys and sorrows. As it is rightly said, a friend in need is a friend indeed. People who have true friends should feel always blessed. A true friend always care for you, never judge you, and accept the ways you are. Friendship is a wonderful gift that people share together. And if we keep this bond growing, we will friends forever. My best friend is Pranay. What is your best friend? Please write in comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.